Good morning, dear students. In this video, I am giving you introduction of tense. Actually, I wanted to take active and passive verbs, but before that, you must study all types of tenses because tenses are the basic, the foundation of English language. If you make wrong in tenses, then you will make wrong in entire English language, both in spoken and written language. So, once again, we will study tenses and their rules. Okay? Okay, I will make separate videos for each types of tenses. We will study tenses slowly, perfectly, because we have enough time. Okay? Okay, what is tense? Tense is the expression of time reference of an action. What is tense? Tenses express time reference of an action. There are mainly three types of tenses. They are past tense, present tense, future tense. These three types of tenses classified into 12. For example, present tense classified into 4 types of tenses. They are simple present tense, present continuous tense or present progressive tense. Next, present perfect tense. Next, present perfect continuous tense. Same past tense also. Simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Next, future tense. Simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. We have to study for understanding and learning each types of tenses. We must know the rules of those tenses. Let us study here. The first one, present tense. Simple present tense. Here the rule is subject plus V1 plus S or ES plus object. See, the rule of simple present tense is subject then plus V1. V1 means the base form of the verb. You know there are mainly 3 forms of verbs, V1, V2, V3. No? You know that. So, plus S or ES if it is needed only. That you have to consider whether the subject is singular or plural. Plus object. Here I am just giving you introduction. In the next video I will be giving you deep explanation of each tenses. How and when we have to use. And what are other rules we have to follow when we make different types of tenses. Okay, now you study this much only. Next, present continuous tense. The rule is subject plus is, am, are. This you have to study. The auxiliary verbs. Is, am, are auxiliary verbs or supporting verbs or helping verbs. Plus V1, base form of the verb. V1 plus ing form. Plus object. For example, simple present tense, I study English. So, here by using this rule, I am studying English. No. Subject plus is, am, are plus V1 plus ing plus object. Next, present perfect tense. is subject plus has or have. Always remember, in present perfect tense, we have to remember, we have to use these auxiliary verbs. Has or have. Has is singular, have is plural. Got it? Plus V3 form of the verb. Verb 3 form of the verb. Always remember, V3 form of verb we have to use with has or have in the perfect tense. Plus object. One example, for example, I have studied English. I have studied English. He has studied English. Next, present perfect continuous tense. The rule is subject plus has or have is same. Has or have plus being. This you have to remember. Always in the perfect continuous tense we have to use being. B-double-E-N. Always remember being. This word, this bridge word for joining auxiliary verb with the main verb. We have to use being. Plus V1 form of the verb. Verb 1 plus ing form plus object. And also these two words, since or for, we have to use. You have to remember in present perfect tense these words, since or for showing or indicating, giving exact time when the action started. For example, I have been studying English since morning. Or I have been studying English for 2 hours. Right. Next, past tense. Past tense are classified into 4. They are, first one, simple past tense. The rule of simple past tense is subject plus V2 plus object. In simple past tense, we are always using V2 form of verb. You have to remember that V2 form verb we only use in simple past tense. Okay. The example is I studied English. Studied is the V2 form of the verb. Okay. Next, past continuous tense. The rule is subject plus was or were. Was or were are the supporting verbs, and these are the past forms of is and are. Was is singular, were is plural. Plus V1 plus ing form of verb plus object. Always remember, in continuous tense we have always use V1 plus ing form, that you can remember. Whatever the continuous tense, we have to use V1 plus ing form. The example is I was studying English. I was studying English. Next, past perfect tense. Subject plus, had plus, V3 plus, object. Always remember, had is the supporting verb or auxiliary verb. We have to always remember, we are always using this in past perfect tense only. Remember this, past perfect tense we use had plus V3 form of verb. Subject plus, had plus, V3 form of the verb plus object. Example, I had studied English before I studied Tamil. I had studied English before I studied Tamil. Next, past perfect continuous tense. The rule is subject plus, had plus, being plus V1 plus ing plus object. Always remember, add plus being. We are using perfect continuous tense. Okay? Plus V1 plus ing form. The example is, I had been studying English when my children went for playing. Next, future tense. Simple future tense. The rule is subject plus will or shall. Always remember, in simple future tense, we have to use the supporting verbs will or shall plus V1 plus object. The example is, I will study English or I shall study English. Next, future continuous tense. The rule is subject plus will or shall plus be plus V1 plus ing form plus object. For example, I will be studying English tomorrow in this time. I will be studying English. Next, future perfect tense. Subject plus will plus have plus V3 form of verb plus object. Example, I will have studied English. Future perfect continuous tense. The rule is subject plus will plus have plus being. Always remember, being we have to use in perfect continuous tense. Plus V1 plus ing plus object. The example is, I will have been studying English next week. I will have been studying English next week. So here I just gave an introduction of the tenses. In the coming videos I will give you deep explanation about each types of tenses. How to use tenses, that we will study. Okay? Thank you.